Hi everyone, we are back with another video. It is a super snow day, like I was saying. Let's freaking go. I want to show you guys. Hi. Okay, let's freaking go. Oh my god. Holy freaking. Oh. Okay. Mackenzie! Recording! Jeez. Let's go! Holy crap, though. Oh, jeez, my skin is getting wet.
I found the deepest spot.
What's the deepest spot? I have like no gloves on. Oh! Oh yeah! We're trying to see who can sit down in the snow longer.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. I'm just gonna like kind of show everyone the snow day while we do this because I don't want anyone to be bored. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Okay.
Hashtag Megacat Overlord.
Wait, is someone moving into that house?
I don't know.
Well, if we get new neighbors, I'm gonna be sad. But they have to have kids.
What house?
That house right there that has that red car.
Wow, that would be sight. That would be super freaking awesome.
So that'd be lit.
Ow! It's definitely hail.
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, I got actual snow.
Oh, Jesus.
It's actual hail rain. We're actually sitting outside in the cold. And
Yep.
now it's actually getting to me because I'm wearing leggings that are super thin.
Yep. It's been like 2 minutes of us just sitting here.
Wait, face the camera towards you. So, you guys, pause the video right now and comment down below who do you think's gonna win, and what's the end, who's the winner, and who's the one crying because they got
Frick! Oh, dang it! You win! Man, you guys are jerks. Guys, stop.
Dude, snowball at me, so fuck off. Hey, bitch.
And
Come on. Oh, it's fucking raining.
it's hailing.
Whatever, shut the fuck up.
Mm.
Come on, get up. Oh my god.
You guys are jerks.
Oh, shut the fuck up, dude. I didn't throw a snowball at you. Come on. Come on, get up. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on, chicken little. Come on. Come on, chicken little.
You guys are freaking jerks.